Alright guys, the day has finally come. Here it is, the Autel Evo 2. Today is the day that I unbox it. Alright, let's open up the box. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is the landing pad that they added in. Autel official. That's cool. Here it is, the Evo 2 Pro Rugged Bundle. Let's open it up. Here it is, the Rugged Bundle. There it is. First things first. Wow, this thing is heavy. It's got to be at least 10 pounds. Anyway. Let's open it up. Got this nice release system. Pull down, pull out. Alright, here it is. Oh wow, there it is. First impressions, wow, this thing is big. Okay, so here's a ruler. This is something I never saw anybody show. This is how wide it is. 3 inches. And 8.5 inches long that direction. That is huge. Let's take it out of the box. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That looks so nice. Let's take a look at this. Let's unfold this. Let's open this up. There it is. So let's pop open the Rugged Bundle once again, and let's see what else we have. Alright. Let's take a look. Okay. So, here there are 3 spots for batteries. There's already a battery pre-installed in the drone, and here are some more batteries. And okay, these are extra propellers.
Nice.
We got 3 boxes of those. I suppose they're probably full sets. That's handy. Power cord. Probably for the charger. Oh, some more propellers. And some more propellers. Plenty of propellers, that's for sure. Put this back in there. And here's probably some booklets. Lens cleaning cloth. Quick guide. Some information. We can look through that later. And here is a power brick. Autel Robotics power brick. Ah, yes, battery charger. That's what this is. There it is. Okay. You just pop that onto the battery, right? Yep, right there. That's cool. I'm not actually going to use this one though because I bought a multi-battery charger separate so I can charge more than one battery at a time. Let's see. There's a bag down here. Nice. They included a micro USB cable. Let's see what else. Okay, I know what these are. I'm pretty sure these are cables that go from the phone to the remote. That's probably what this is. Pretty cool. Nice. And finally, we have the remote. Seen this in videos. It looks so cool. Okay, here's a phone clip. Wonder how far it extends. Oh, there's a sticker over it. Okay, let's see how far this extends. Okay, so not very far, but plenty enough for just a phone. These sticks are nice rubber. That's a nice feel. It's a nice big screen there. Got some antennas. Nice. We have some wheels and buttons. I suppose this is take a picture and this take video. Oh, nice. Oh, handles. That's nice. That has a really nice feel. You have more buttons. And USB port. Okay, yeah, we have this. This is what plugs into the remote. And then there's the other end that plugs into your smartphone that you have clipped here. And that's how you plug your remote probably into either the computer or the drone itself. So overall, really cool remote. I'll get more into this in another video. But in a future video, hopefully I'll have my tests done by then. And then I can fly this. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe if you haven't already because we're just about to 100 subscribers. And when this channel hits 100 subscribers, I'll film a new intro to my videos and I'll do a video showing how I made the intro. So subscribe for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.